Okay. This is one of the cheapest shops in Holland. Action. Omuton BBAB. Into say, oh, Holland now pay shops are a year cheaper. Action is one of them. Omu Craniema and Pennyphoniema. Afra cosmetics, any BBR. To me, the more call around his own heights. And we health like if I say his own like your health. Do pay vitamins. And now pay like anything health, anything about your health for cold compress and other stuff. Just a whoop how bit me about action. Now our barbeto. High socks or more crying penny for socks in our ewaha. Inti say oh Europe now pay one of the cheapest shop in Holland and in Europe action. It's one of them. Omo straight dresses ewaha. Ladies dress or pair dresses a bit me at her. But mostly me am in to dress ewaha. We shorts and no moton. This is a opa ubetimi abetobi. More rubber pabwa slippers near the ewaha. Cosmetics and so a kama pa more cosmetics no a very nice. More Sanex ewaha. Comfort Sanex washing soap, liquid soap. $3.49. It's a one who be now pair. Or more Dove ewaha. They will pay beer or more be or more Nivea ewa. Hey, or what it is so Nivea €2. That means 16 times 16 32 Ghana. It's a whoopee beer. Now I can. O pese me to be brown, so I may to be a brown. Or more palmolive ewa ha. Like the whoopee beer or more be. Or more mouthwash, not any beer. Cosmetics pa die enimu no omo obi e very affordable omo castor oil meton bi eno de bi wo Ghana nti se wo pair o contact me a wo benya bi omo almond oil ho almond oil no so meton almond oil ni bi e very nice 100% natural so wo pe bia meto bia omo ne ma bebre facial cleansing sets, makeup sets, bag, traveling bag and so hobby beer won't be. To the OP beer or more L'Oreal anti-wrinkle cream ever ho say there now ope. Nourishing and moisturizing day and night cream a very natural, 100% natural almond oil and sunni jojoba oil and sunni pre-order nkwana me makeup organizer with speaker with mirror makeup box sa energy we meton bi so we makeup set 10 pieces ama a higher mirror with led light mirror with light and so ewa ha ti de wo pe bia no you will pee brown tint ewa ha de ye wo de to bra no de wo pe bia bi wa ha quality you can say cheaper Europe doesn't mean say any quality very quality but it's very affordable. Yes, I want this my pebia mania so this is brown. Okay, me talk with yanka sama me ho a 69 cents it me talk ba ebi wa ha omo fixing spray so ewa ha fixing spray. They have beauty sets, beauty kit, lip colors, eyeshadows, glitter, brushes, golden hair applicators. They are very cute and very nice. Very affordable shops. Mom send it here. Open bear spread, bear sheets no. Bear sheets. And a comforter to be a waha. It's very nice. sɛ waba Euro foforɔ na w'ani so ayɛ ntanta wo ho baabi a wobɛfa a woba action and deɛ wopɛ biara for a start no wobɛnya nti mede mo go through sɛ wohu biribi nso na wopɛ a sɛ metɔ bi berɛ wo a metɔ aberɛ wo aha nso yɛ cars yɛ candles perfume candles bibia ɛwɔ ha perfume candle bi a wopɛ biara wɔ ha very good and affordable too. We are salt diffuser 12 euros with time I was set here time this one at a drum. We also say we diffuser ceramic diffuser to the OP piano. More and more lovers of lovers of candles, very nice and very pretty color. Bia ewaha efepa we green leaf bamboo into over action the OP bia one sa ebeka we for home and so chalkboard ne the old be decorate with fie table stand and everything in bi wa aha and so yeah household for cleaning like for fie if when I can see a school mark for cleaning. It's a way a kitchen dust na glass na bathroom set the open be a bit me. It's a way there in Palani Masuwa to say the open be a biwaha a more suitcase and so any baby and send way me the mube say hey ya me the mark around. It is a open shop, one of the cheapest shop in Holland, Europe. One of them is Action. It is a oba no when you saw your tantana what he na ho baby a obekwa koya wo shopping a oba Action a obenya enema bebree pampers ni bibia e wo ha omu towels ni bibia nso e wo ha nti we dey my boxer shorts ni bibia so wo ha. It's very very nice and pretty. Really the macramo and the westy area the fufu the sound from Mama.